What's going on, you guys? So I finally got my van together. Something real simple. Never had a hose reel before to put my vacuum hose on. Always just wrapped the hose up and laid them to the side or hung them on like a little hook or something like that. So got this installed. So that right there just keeps it from moving, so when you pull it, it ain't gonna go nowhere. Got my upholstery tool. This is like the main tool that I use when I clean furniture. Every type of furniture can't be cleaned with this, but majority of what I clean can be. So keeps that over there. So got my Prospector PE 500. I only really use this machine at the moment. It's just for the vacuum hose. That's where this blue hose hooks onto. I don't really use it for the solution. I don't really mess with this. I don't really use it for the heat. So only thing I use this for is just the suction to cleaning the dirty carpet and furniture. I have a 80-gallon tank right there that's hooked up to my pressure washer. I'm gonna take you guys around and show you guys that part. So got the hose reel with 150 feet of hose on it. All I gotta do is pull the clip, put it like that, and then just pull it out. So just like the vacuum hose reel, I never had one of those. Never had one of these either. So I used to just wrap both of the hoses up, toss them to the side. So I'm trying to get everything off the floor. As you can see, I got so much space now. I got everything up. Got the cleaning wine. It's right there. That wine here is for my towel wine. Got the stir tool. Pretty easy to step in. So this is how I have my tank hooked up. That tank hooked up here, just to the back of that. And this is my pressure line. So just a standard little Ryobi pressure washer. This right here is just that valve. I have this little relief valve going into the top of the tank. And I just use this tank right here just to fill up. So I use this tank just to fill up like buckets and bottles and stuff. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So I'm only gonna be running carpet cleaning and furniture cleaning and tile and grout. Not doing detailing, not doing pressure washing. Those are the only 3 services that I will be mainly focusing on.